श्री जगेश जी, माननीय डॉक्टर फौजिया खान।
Deputy Chairman, sir. Sir, the steep increase in screen time in early childhood years has become a growing concern in India. The advantage that technology has in education, entertainment, and communication cannot be denied, sir. But it has been observed that very young children who are still in their early childhood years are spending more hours in front of screens than required. This has been found to have a negative impact on their various aspects of their personalities, their vision, their cognitive, their intellectual, emotional, social, and also physical development, sir. Most children are addicted to screens, with mobile phones playing the roles of babysitters in families. Sir, excessive screen time beyond approximately 1 hour daily links to behavioral problems and poorer vocabulary acquisition. The surge in screen-based technology usage among very young children has raised concerns about its impact on mental health and overall well-being. A study reveals a connection between increased screen exposure from 6 to 18 months of age and adverse outcomes including heightened emotional reactivity, aggression, externalizing behavior. Such addiction may also lead to attention deficit hyperactivity, which is called ADHD, sir, and low academic output. Additionally, findings suggest that elevated screen time at 4 years of age is linked to lower levels of emotional understanding at 6 years of age. These observations underscore the need for a balanced approach to technology use to safeguard the mental health of young children, sir. To address these concerns, a comprehensive strategy should be implemented. The development of a policy framework should prioritize setting permissible limits for screen time during educational activities as well. Parents need support in understanding the consequences and in managing the children's screen exposure, and this can be achieved through educational programs and resources that guide them on effective supervision. Additionally, sir, one more important point, workplaces should consider policies that enable parents to balance workloads and allocate dedicated time for their children, fostering a healthier balance between technology use and quality time in the family. Sir, this dual approach, combining educational reforms and supportive parental policies, aims to create a more conducive environment for the holistic development of children while acknowledging the role of technology in education. The greatest risk, sir, is that this increases the risk of online predators exploiting small children through child pornography and the like, sir. The government must therefore pay attention to this critical issue.
Thank you, Fauziya ji. Very important issue.